So if you guys are buying a second remote or you need a program remote for your garage door, we've got two of the Chamberlain clickers. This one doesn't work, but this one does. So if you're wondering how to reprogram one, I'm going to show you how to do it. So just get up on your ladder or safely, get up to the machine unit, and you're going to want to pop the side cover down. And it says right on here you got a learn button, so you just hit the learn button. And then this was the one that wasn't working. And it says you hold this button and you're programmed. So now we are good to go. So yeah, programming a remote for your garage door. It's just as simple as that, guys. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe.